In this video, we will discuss how you can use MTD as a tool to manage your taxes. If you're treating MTD quarterly updates as just an extra admin cost or administrative burden, then you may be missing the opportunity to manage your tax. Because if you're doing MTD properly, these updates will give you a real-time control over your income, expenses, and tax bills. Let's look at how can you do it. Now, you know that under MTD, you'll be updating HMRC every quarter with your income and expenses. That means you will see your numbers after every quarter, not months after the year end, not at the year end, but as your income year is progressing, you will see your numbers, what your incomes are, what your expenses are. When you see your profits early, you can actually plan. There's no guesswork involved in it. You can plan which expenses need to be incurred now, how to increase your income. It will also help you look at if you're reaching the VAT threshold, should you register now or should you wait for a quarter or more. So it will give you a real-time information about your income and expenses. And if there are any mistakes that you've done in the previous quarter, you can try to fix them in the next quarter. Now that is part of your tax planning. It's not tax avoidance, it's tax planning. So look at MTD as an opportunity, not as a burden. Because once the year has ended, the opportunity is gone. You cannot plan the past, but you have got opportunity to plan for the future, to avoid the mistakes that you have previously done. Then with MTD, your bookkeeping is not part of the history. It becomes a decision-making tool. So if something was misclassified or missed in the previous quarter, you can still correct it. You can amend it in the next quarter. For example, a sole trader, he has got his financial year between 6th April to 5th of April. Now, normally what they do is they file their tax returns 6 months after the financial year end. But with MTD, they will be filing their income, expenses, and reporting will be done quarterly. So he will have a better understanding of his financial position. He'll have a better understanding about his income, expenses, areas that he needs to look at, areas that he needs to improve, including increase of income. So with MTD, it's not just submitting the numbers. You are understanding your numbers, you are reviewing your numbers, and you're giving HMRC the correct information. Thank you.